Kinder. In last video we have learned from our Easy German Part 2 book the first part. In this book we will be learning the next part. Let's start from the Tiere means animals. Der Panda, der Leopard, der Fuchs, that is your fox, der Eisbär, penguin, der penguin, der Strauß, ostrich, der Nashorn, der Dolphin, der Hai is your shark, and der Wal is your whale. Okay. Now, same here they have given 3 exercises for you to connect the correct name. For example, this. Der penguin, that you have to match with the photo. In the second exercise on the second page, you have to see the correct photo. For example, this is leopard. So in number 1, here is number 1. You have to write the spelling of leopard here. Okay, and same you have to complete this puzzle. Now in the third page, this is ice bear. Okay, so you have to find out its spelling here. See, it's here. Ice bear. Okay, and once you have found the spelling, you have to cross the box in front of that animal. And do not forget to send your audio after reading this first page. Now let's move to the next page. Music instrument. These are the musical instrument. See, first one, der Flügel, piano, the guitar, der Schlagzeug, drums, the Geiger, violin, the flute, the orgel, the electronic organ. Next, the trumpet, the clarinet. Next, das accordion, and last one, their contrabass. Okay, so these are the musical instruments, students. Same 3 exercises they have given here, which you are supposed to solve. Now next, learn the next one. Verschiedene Gebäude means the different buildings. Verschiedene means different. First one, the Schule, school, the Post, the Bank, das Restaurant, der Supermarket, das Geschäft, shop, das Kino, cinema hall, das museum, der Krankenhaus, hospital, das Hotel. Okay, so all the same 3 exercises given for this. And then let's learn the Berufe means professions. First, die Lehrerin, female teacher, die Briefträgerin, the postwoman, der Polizist, the police, the Ärztin, female doctor, der Bauer, your farmer, der Feuerwehrmann, the fire, the fireman, the Fotografin, the female photographer, the Tierärztin, the female animal doctor, their Koch, chef, their pilot. And one more thing I want to tell you here, if it is their chef in German, that means the boss. Okay, and the chef in English means their cook. So don't get jumbled. Now solve the remaining 3 exercises for Berufe, and then we will move to the Meer. Am Meer. So for Meer means ocean. For that we always use the preposition am, means on the ocean. What all things are there? Der Strand means the beach. Das Meer, ocean. Das Badetuch, your bathroom towel, bath towel. Der Badeanzug, your bikini. The Sonnenbrille, sunglasses. Der Sonnenhut, your hat. Das Ruderboot, your boat. The mower, seagull. And their fish is fish. Okay. Solve these three exercises. And then come to the Gebirge. Im Gebirge means in mountains. Okay. So we use the preposition im. So what is there we can do? Der Schneefahrer, the snow rider. Der Schnee, snow. Der Schal means scarf. The Bergschuhe, the mountain shoes. Der Anorak, that is your hoodie jacket, Anorak. The Mütze, your cap. Der Rucksack, your backpack. The Skier, skis. Der Schneemann, that is your snowman. Now you know you have to solve this same three exercises. And then come to the sport. Okay. First sport is a foosball. Next is tennis. Laufen. Laufen means running. Volleyball. Basketball. Skifahren. That is your skiing. Schwimmen. Turnen means gymnastic. Radfahren. Bicycling. Eislaufen, your ice skating. Okay. Now solve these three exercises for sport. And then let's learn the Positionen, the positions. Okay. Now see this Hase means rabbit. Where he is standing, vorne means in front of. Hinten, behind. Oben, up. Unten, under. Drinnen, inside. Draußen, outside. Hinauf, to climb up. Hinunter, to climb down. Nah, near. And fern means away or far. Okay. Now solve the same three exercises for the positions. And then come to the verbs. Okay. Very important verben. Öffnen, to open. Schließen, to close. Kaufen, to purchase. Wandern, just to walk. Sprechen, to speak. Ein Instrument spielen, to play an instrument. Zuhören, listen carefully. Singen, sing. Tanzen is to dance. Springen is to jump. Okay. Now after solving these exercises, let's come to the adjectives. Rechte Hand, right hand. Linke Hand, your left hand. Kurz means short. Lang means long. Einfach, easy. Schwer, difficult. Schmutzig, dirty. Sauber, clean. Neu, new. Alt, old. Okay. Remember these adjectives with their opposites. And then solve these exercises. Yes. Now last page here, they have given the meaning of all the things. Okay. Which we have learned. So all the meanings you can find out here. And with this, do not forget to send your audio of reading all this book. Okay. We will meet on in next video. Till then, choose.